Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, Germany's #1 vacation spot. Info on the flag. On the left is the German flag, on the right is the Mecklenburg-Vorpommern flag. It was introduced in 1990 when Mecklenburg joined the Federal Republic. The designer is Norbert Busk. The coat of arms, seen in the middle of the Mecklenburg flag, contains the bull's head of Mecklenburg, the griffin of Pomerania, and the red eagle of Brandenburg. Each symbol dates to the Middle Ages. The idea of uniting them into one coat of arms was until the 90s when the Mecklenburg flag was put forth. It is sometimes seen on the flag during important occasions such as parliament meetings. General info: the state of Mecklenburg-Vorpommern was established in 1945 after World War II through the merger of the historic regions of Mecklenburg and the Prussian Western Pomerania by the Soviet military administration in Allied occupied Germany. Famous people: Manuela Schwesig and Erwin Sellering, both German politicians. Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, population 1.6 million. Hauptstadt Schwerin is 102,878. Schwerin is the state capital of Mecklenburg in northern Germany. It is known for the Schwerin Castle, a neo-Renaissance palace with ornate rooms and elaborate gardens. The castle sits on an island in Lake Schwerin, one of the several picturesque lakes in the Stadtliches Museum. Schwerin has 17th century Dutch and Flemish paintings, including works by Peter Paul Rubens. In the old town is Gothic Schwerin Cathedral, pictured in the background. Largest cities is Rostock, population 205,000. Rostock is on the shore of the Bay of Mecklenburg and straddles the Vorna River. Tourist destinations: Schwerin Palace, 19th century island palace and art museum. It is in the background. Jasmine National Park, chalk cliffs and beech forest. Dar seaside resort with forest and beach. Tourist destinations continue. Mecklenburg-Vorpommern coastline on the Baltic Sea features many holiday resorts and unspoiled nature, including the islands such as Rügen, which is pictured in the back, and Usedom, as well as the Mecklenburg Lake District, making the state of Germany's leading tourist destinations. 3 of Germany's 14 national parks are Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. In addition to several hundred nature conservation areas, the University of Rostock, established in 1419, the University of Greifswald, established in 1456, are among the oldest universities in Europe. Mecklenburg-Vorpommern was the site of the 33rd G8 summit in 2007. Geography of Mecklenburg-Vorpommern: it is off the Baltic Sea, 894.8 square miles, borders Poland, Brandenburg, Schleswig, Holstein, Niedersachsen. Climate: warm and temperate. Culture: Mecklenburg and Vorpommern have their own traditional dishes, often including fish, beef, pork. Rostock has its own type of bratwurst called Rostocker bratwurst. A famous dish from western Pomerania is Bismarck herring. Rote Grütze is a popular dessert. Over the centuries, Mecklenburg and Vorpommern have developed and maintained strong regional cultures, as it can generally be described as North German and has similar linguistic and historic characteristics to other northern German states such as Schleswig-Holstein. People in Vorpommern, as a result of that territory being a former province of Prussia, tend to look slightly more towards Berlin and Brandenburg than people in Mecklenburg would. Religion: mostly 80% is not religious, others evangelical Lutheran or some other form of Protestantism. Small Jewish communities in Rostock and Schwerin. The end.